All right, so let's say we have 3x plus 4 equals 5x minus 6. All right, so our goal is to get the variables on one side. So normally if the variable's on one side, we add or subtract that integer away, but we have variables on both sides, so we have to get rid of it from one side. So we can either minus 3x from both sides. Let's just imagine what that would look like. That would get rid of this, and then this would be 2x here. The other option is we could get rid of the x's over here on the right, and we could minus 5x. That would get rid of these x's, but this would leave us with negative x's there. And if at all possible, we don't really want to have negatives. Positive numbers are so much easier to work with. So our best option is to subtract the 3x's from both sides. All right, so over here, that's worth 0, which is nothing, so we don't need it anymore. Over here, we have our 2x's, and we'll bring down that negative 6. All right, so now it just looks like a two-step equation. So the variable's on the right, so we need to add 6 to both sides. So now we have 10 is equal to 2 times some number. That's worth 0, so that's nothing. So we could either guess from here what it is, or the inverse of multiplication is division, and we'll divide both sides by 2. That is 1. 1x is just x, and so x is going to be equal to 5.